Okay, class, we are back. We're going to talk about the letters that we learned, the letter that we learned last week, which was the letter Q for quail. And as you can see on our drawing of the letter Q, in order to make a letter Q, and I'm just going to copy it with my marker. I hope y'all can see it. It's kind of hard. We are just going to make one big circle all the way around and then a kick out for the capital Q. My kick is kind of strange, but that's okay. And then for the little q, I'm gonna get something kind of hard to write on. It's not easy if I'm not holding something kind of hard. And then for the little q, we are simply going to make a stick all the way down and then a little circle on top for qua. And that was for quit and quell, and we learned that last week. Okay, of course the qua pictures that we learned were queen, quack, quarter, quick, Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, quilt, and then of course the last one was shh, quiet. And that's in one of our morning exercises, and I had y'all do that one this morning on purpose so that we could practice the shh, the qua for quiet. Okay, we learned this letter yesterday, and I'm gonna go ahead and draw this one for you on our board. We do have R for rusty rooster, and for the letter R, we are going to make one stick straight down. The arrow points the direction that your stick goes. You start from the top and go to the bottom. Okay, I'm going to erase the arrow. Then I go back up to the top and I make a hump, and then I make a kick out for the letter R. And then for the little r, or the lowercase r, you can see it right beside over here, just kind of. I am going to start kind of halfway. There would be an imaginary line that you see on paper, and I know we're not really there yet, so I'm going to go ahead and draw these lines. This is kind of what you would see on a piece of paper. My little r would start here, kind of at the bottom, a small stick down, and then I go back up to the top and I make a little hump for a little r, and that's the r makes like rusty rooster. And of course our pictures, I think you can see better if I go from here, are ring, rock. The R says for ruler, for roller skates, and for ribbon. So, or like if you were a lion. You can all pretend to be lions with big manes and go and growl really loud. And that's the letter R. The other thing that we're going to learn, or well, not learn, we've already learned it, is the number 12. The number 12 is made up with the number 1, and it is followed with the number 2. So when I put the number 1 and 2 together, it makes the number 12. So we can count all the way up to 12. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we counted all the way to number 12. So our new number today that comes right after 12 is the number 13. So the number 13 will have one stick, just like the number 12, all the way, let me just start them at the same place, sorry. One stick all the way down. And this time, instead of a 2, we're gonna draw the number 13 with a 3. So it has 2 humps. Didn't go down enough. It has 2 humps just like that. The number 13. We can also count 13 things. Let me scoot back so y'all can see. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So we can count all the way to number 13 by drawing dots. So you will get a number page assigned to you today where you're going to trace the number 13, just like you know we normally do. Then on the back of the paper, well, not on this paper, but on the back of our page that we're working on, I want you to go ahead and draw 13 circles, just like we did. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13 right in the middle. So I want you to go ahead and practice counting and drawing that on the other side of your 13 page after you trace it, okay? So here's the number 13. Count with me one more time, and this time we have teddy bears. So count the 13 teddy bears with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 teddy bears. So, that is all we are going to do for learning our numbers and our letters today. What I'm going to do is just send y'all a video of a counting video for y'all to do and to count with. And then I'm going to send y'all an alphabet letter video for you to practice your alphabet sounds with. We're not going to do the alphabet cards or anything today. We're going to save that for tomorrow. So keep up the good work. Keep working really, really hard. I love everything that y'all are sending me. I know y'all are working and y'all are doing your best, and that is all that I expect, and that's all that I want y'all to do every day. I hope y'all know that I miss y'all so much. I miss all your little faces, and I miss all your little hugs, and I'm praying and hoping every day that we can see each other very soon. God will let us know when we can, okay? That's something that we always have to keep in mind. So just for the time being, just keep in mind that I love you. Keep in mind that I'm missing you, and I hope your little brains are working really hard, and I hope y'all are thinking, and I hope y'all are being really good for your parents. And we'll just keep on going. And like I said, y'all are also super, 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 super great students, and I'm so proud of each of you guys. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.